Happy birthday, Mommy. Kanta tayo. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Love you,
O, ikaw
Mommy.
naman kanta kay Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday,
Mommy.
Happy birthday to
Oh,
you.
thank you, Mommy, for everything. Ko na.
Thank you, Mommy, for everything.
I love you.
I love you.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Sige, message na si Mama.
Sige, finish pa ni Mama.
Hindi, magme-message na tayo. So, hello Ma. Happy birthday. So, wish you all the best and happiness in life. So, God bless you always, Ma. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat ng pagmamahal at suporta po sa aming mga anak mo. So, at sa mga apo mo, especially po sa mga apo mo, sobrang salamat, Ma. Wala po kaming ibang masabi kundi salamat po sa lahat-lahat ng pagmamahal. At andyan ka po lagi para sa amin. So, maraming salamat, Ma. We love you. We miss you. Thank you so much for everything, Ma. Salamat po sa lahat. God bless always, Pa. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. We love you, Mother. Thank you po sa pagmamahal at kabutihan mo po sa amin at sa lahat-lahat po. So, love you so much. We love you. We miss you. Happy birthday.